Cambodia forecasts rain through. August 24 as Tropical Storm Saudel influences. Monsoon ph nom penh. August 22, 2026. Cambodia is expected to experience rainfall across 20% to 50% of the country from August 22 to 24, as Tropical Storm Saudel influences the southwest monsoon, according to the Ministry of Water Resources and Meteorology. The ministry said a low-pressure system over the western Pacific Ocean has developed into the 18th tropical storm of the season, named Saudel, T2608. The storm is affecting the southwest monsoon across a broad region, including the Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, South China Sea, Mekong Basin, Cambodian waters, and Cambodia. However, the ministry emphasized that Cambodia is not directly in the path of Tropical Storm Saudel. Despite the storm remaining outside Cambodia's projected track, its influence on regional weather patterns is expected to bring 20% to 50% rainfall coverage between August 22 and 24. Authorities continue to monitor weather conditions as the storm affects the wider regional monsoon system.